are pitted against 20,000. Have you a plan, Commandant Chow?
Part of our forces will serve as bait and distract the enemy. Utilizing the diversion, a separate force will target Zhangjiao.
Not bad. But how will we split their forces? Zhang Jiao is no fool. If he remains guarded.
A secret route we discovered earlier. It's likely our best option.
Excellent. What a wondrous turn of events. And I shall take this one with me.
As you please. A tiger with prey in its sights won't be diverted after all.
Come fight alongside me. And you might make a name for yourself.
We can get to the secret path from the cliff over there. Please, follow me.
Oh, I hadn't considered that possibility. How did you find that out?
The chi there is being distorted by something evil. Tracing the flow led me to what I believe to be the source. It could be the Yellow Turban's base.
A distorted flow of chi, you say? That explains the rumors of there being demons in the enemy camp. So we've more than just hapless rebels to deal with, then. I shall relish the opportunity to wield my claws. This being their headquarters, the troops here are the best they've got. These rebels genuinely believe the lies spewed by Song Chao in the land. And so I expect they'll fight to the last man. Commandant Chao and I had been ordered by the court to capture this fort. But with no reinforcements, we were having trouble thinking of a strategy. I know someone who's been face to face with death when I see them. Huh. It's good to know I've got reliable company out here. perfect for hunting. The spoils of this fight are yours. Do as you wish with them. Wait. Look carefully and you should find something around here. The yellow turbans have plunged the land into yet deeper turmoil. We soldiers now have these foolish demons to contend with. And meanwhile, those we fight to protect are suffering unimaginably. Take care with each step, or it may be your last. skilled warrior indeed.
Drink. Hurry up and drink, for there is no other way. Prosperity for all.
So that's Song Jiao, eh? I shall stop his feverish demagogue here! The enemy is planning something! Time to finish this!
It's not often I'm put on the back foot. Rise, my body may perish, my beliefs will never die.
You fought magnificently. I'll need to take care not to be overshadowed. The glory of this victory is all yours this time. Who is this strange person? What a foul aura. Oh, you. You do not fear this chi. You are wasted as a militia soldier. The Swan clan's strength rivals even that of a ferocious tiger. Our descendants are destined to establish their own dominance one day. But before that, we will have to deal with that malicious chi, who will cut through the darkness that engulfs this world. Will it be I? Or perhaps it will be you, my worthy rival. Commandant Chow must be told what happened here. I must make haste.
This chaos, is it all his fault? I need to let the Master know, right away. Will you join me?